What's up guys, JayzTwoCents here, and my best friend bought himself a new computer. Nope, not a sponsored one. One that he actually purchased, and he said to me, it lacks a lighting. He wants it to look fabulous. So that's what we're gonna do today.
We interrupt this video to bring you a special message from iFixit. No, we interrupt this interruption with this interruption about new stuff from iFixit. Wish you had a new graphics card, but inventory sucks? Fix the inventory problems with iFixit. Whoa, don't drop it. Can't fix that with iFixit. Just kidding, yes you can. Wish you could take iFixit with you anywhere, but your pockets aren't big enough? Introducing the new More.
And the new Minnow.
Take them with you anywhere. So get iFixit for your loved ones, or just get them for yourself.
He's also kind of given me the honors to be able to do the first full removal and unboxing of this case. He kind of opened it up to make sure everything was there, all the accessories and stuff. So look at this as being not a really secret shopper. I mean, considering NZXT did know that he was buying it and that he's a best friend and employee of mine. You guys are probably going, who is it? We know Phil, we know Nick. This guy is very behind the scenes, but regardless, he also lost the top, way to go. He lost the top styrofoam here. We are going to unbox it, boot it up, make sure it all works, and then we are gonna see what we can do. We're gonna see how much lighting's in it to begin with. He lives in a skyrise in downtown Long Beach. He wants this PC to glow as much as his balcony does. If you're ever walking through downtown Long Beach and you look up and you see some apartments and stuff and you see white lights and then you see that's his apartment. So I'm pretty sure there's not gonna be nearly enough RGB out of the box, which is why we found a use finally for those RGB cable combs that we did a review of forever ago, which apparently aren't even available anymore. This is why we hang on to literally everything that comes through here. So we'll go ahead and get it set up, we'll get it fired up, and we'll come back. And then we'll see exactly what's in here, because I don't even remember what specs he got. All right, so we have a lot of RGB in here already. I think they know him really well. Look, we've got the underglow lighting here, which I think might just be part of the Elite case on the front here, because this is an H510 Elite. You can see you have the RGB ring fans from NZXT. We've got RGB XPG memory here, which is from ADATA. Again, more RGB ring fans on the top and the back. We've got strips going here, 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 and here. So all four corners of this case have RGB. I'm sure there's places we can stick some more, obviously, but I'm just curious, when we first flip it on, how much of it is gonna glow? And then, of course, it doesn't have the cable comb RGBs, which we will be putting in there. Well, they're just set to a boring white. All right, so in terms of specs, he went 5950X, 16-core AMD Ryzen 9 processor. He's got 32 gigabytes of ADATA XPG RAM. He's got an RTX 3090 from EVGA. This is the XC3 card, not the For the Win 3. Unfortunately, this one has the red clown lips on there. He doesn't care though, which is fine. It lights up though, so there's that. You can see the underglow looks really nice, I like that. So we've got other things we can add in here. We've got some things that I have left over, so this is his. We've got these strips that we used in the past. These are NZXT compatible strips. These are the downfire lights like you would find under there. I'm sure we can add those somewhere. We've got the cable combs, which I already showed you. And then I thought we had some extra, oh yeah, a few extra RGB strips. I think these are the magnetic ones though, which are really cool. Let's see. Yep, they're magnetic. So Phil had the nice idea here actually of lighting up the inside of the Elite chamber. And I'm gonna leave the plastic on here until we're done. So the fans light up obviously, but nobody ever really lights up the area inside so you can see the edges of the fan. So maybe we'll do that. So we just went into NZXT Cam, which controls all of this stuff. And we just basically put everything on RGB, like rainbow spectrum, which is a pretty good start. Let me turn this light off real quick so you guys can kind of get a little bit of a better idea. We've got more to do. So let's go ahead and just sort of see how Phil can montage this type of build. And then we'll come back with the ridiculousness that this computer is. If you feel a little queasy or sick, you're not alone. Okay, so here's what we've done. We've added an RGB strip behind this white vertical mount piece right here. This is actually where you would mount like a reservoir or something. So I've got one back there firing back behind the motherboard. We've added the RGB combs to both the PCI Express cables as well as the 24 pin. Not the 8 pin though, because the location of where it's at, and the way the wires kind of twist to make it to the hole won't really allow for it. We've added RGB also to this area right here that we're gonna use to sort of illuminate this front panel area. We'll let my friend decide if he likes the way this looks, because they are gonna be visible versus just having the nice kind of like a soft glow of these rings right here. In fact, I need to put that glass panel back on, I guess, before we'd make that decision. But I first need to make sure I didn't break anything. It still boots up, it still makes light. So let's see. Okay, I think we've achieved maximum RGBage.
I can't concentrate. I keep just looking at it.
I feel like there was still opportunity to add more here somewhere, but I think we would need a bigger power supply at this rate. No, just kidding, but still. Do you approve?
Love it!
Okay, there we go. So, pointless video, I know that. I figured how else to trigger you guys if I've got to be triggered about doing it. I mean, okay, let's go ahead and show you guys why RGB is awesome, because I could just be like, wait, NZXT purple. Okay. The anti-RGB police have arrived. I get it, why you guys hate RGB. And I know that's probably why you're gonna dislike this video. But if you actually care about the fact that I put aside my OCD and my intolerance for this madness, why don't you consider maybe hitting the like button? The things I do for my friends.